So how do plants use their food? That is also important. They produce food and they also use it. So how they would use? During the process of photosynthesis, the food that the leaf prepares is kind of sugar called glucose. Okay, we already know that. Plants use this food in the following ways. First, a part of the food is burned to produce energy. Okay, energy is required to do work. All organisms need energy. Okay, and all organisms draw this energy by food. So, part of the food is burned to produce energy. Then, part of the food is used for the growth of the plant. Plants grow, right? So, not just in a height, but leaves and flower and fruit production, everything is a growth. For that also food is used up. Then part of the food is used for repair of the damaged cells and tissues. Okay, extra food is changed into starch, another type of sugar, and stored in various parts of the plant like leaves, roots, flowers, stem, fruit, and seeds. We usually eat those parts of the plant which have food stored in them, right? We eat different parts of the plants. So usually we eat such part of the plants where this sugar is stored. For example, we eat the following parts: fruits like apple, mango, orange, etc. Then leaves, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, etc. Flowers, cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Roots, carrot, radish, turnip, etc. Then stems, sugarcane, etc. Seeds, beans, peas, etc. Underground stems, potato, onion, etc. Right? These are the different vegetables, fruits we eat, but these are different parts of plant. Okay. Then importance of grasses. Grasses can be identified from thin, long, ribbon like leaves and fibrous type of root system. Cereals such as bajra, maize, millet, rice, and wheat form the food grains for human beings all over the world. Right? We use bajra, maize, millet, rice, wheat in our regular diet, regular food. All these plants, along with different kinds of bamboos, sugar cane, belong to the grass family. Grass family means a particular type of leaf. Okay, they produce all these kinds of food. Leaves, stems, and seeds of these plants and other grasses form the food for many kinds of herbivores. Herbivores are plant eating animals such as ants, birds, cattle, deer, grasshoppers, and zebras. These all eat plants, that is, grass in specific. Roots of grasses hold the topsoil and prevent it from being washed away by water and blown away by the wind. Grasses are used to make paper, cardboard, and also as roofing materials for huts. Baskets, hats, mats, and even chairs and tables are made using different kinds of dried grass. Bamboos are used to make huts, shelters, platforms, fences, and musical instruments such as flutes and whistles. Some unusual plants. Okay, these are different in their ways, like desert plants, cactus. You know, in desert there is very less water. Okay, but plants need water for their survival. So how do these survive? Because they are in desert, they need to conserve water. They have a stem that is flattened and green in color. This modified stem makes food and stores water for the plant. The leaves are modified into spines, as you can see in the picture. Then, plants like mushrooms and mold are non green, hence, they cannot make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Non green means they do not contain chlorophyll. Okay, so they cannot make their own food. They obtain food from dead, decaying matter. Some plants like croton and coleus have red leaves because of the red pigment present in them. You can see these are a little reddish. Okay. The red pigment hides the green color of the chlorophyll. Even though these are a little red in color, they have chlorophyll and they can undergo a process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in these plants as chlorophyll is present. Okay. Then some plants like Venus flytrap grow in soil which is poor in nutrients and hence eat insects. Although they also carry out photosynthesis, such plants are called insectivorous plants. Okay. There are some plants which eat insects. Such are called as insectivorous plants. For example, we have Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. First, we will look into Venus flytrap. The leaves of Venus flytrap act like traps and have sticky hair on their margins. Okay. When an insect sits on the leaves, the trap shuts and the insect is digested with the help of digestive juices. Then pitcher plant. Observe, it is Pitcher. Pitcher means a jar. Here the leaf of the plant are modified into jar like in shape. Okay. The leaves of the pitcher plant form hollow tubes called pitchers. Colorful marking, nice smell, and sticky nectar of the plant attracts insects. Once an insect comes inside the pitcher, it is trapped and gets digested by the digestive juices of the plant. See, here you can see both the plant. Venus flytrap already has captured one insect. Okay, whenever the insect sits in that place, it will close its mouth like leaf. Okay, here in the next picture, that is pitcher plant, the entire thing is one leaf. Okay, it is modified into that structure so that whenever an insect goes inside that hole, the trap is closed and insect is digested. Okay, these are insectivorous plants. Thank you.